Hi everyone. Once again, very good morning all. Yeah, thanks being joining. Okay. So as you know, myself is Subbu. I am going to teach complete this Azure SQL DBA with MSSQL DBA with Azure SQL DBA. Like past 5.5 years, almost 6 years, I was in the teaching field, and this is my batch 37 for complete SQL Server DBA, and a batch 13 or 14 for Azure SQL DBA. So where we are going to see teach the Azure SQL with Azure admin. Uh, After 30 days, we are going to start with the Azure part. First 30 days, it will be completely SQL Server DBA, where we are going to discuss complete code SQL part. Then we'll go into the cloud part. So where we are going to discuss what is Iaas, what is PaaS. In the PaaS, we are going to discuss about Azure SQL database and Azure MI. I'm going to show you completely what is our course content in next 60-65 days, what we are going to discuss. Okay, so you can introduce one by one. So whoever start first, let's introduce yourself. Just one or two lines about your name and what is your background. Because I came to know how many people are starting their career as a SQL DBA and how many people are already working and they are going to enhance their skills.
Should I start?
Yep. Yes.
Hi, my name is Namrata and I am from Pune, Maharashtra. And I have total 7 years of experience, but not in IT. So I'm working with the BPO,
Okay.
healthcare
Yeah,
domain.
thanks. Okay. Yeah, thanks, Namrata. Yep. Anyone else?
Hi, myself Rudresh. I'm working as a system admin from past 2 years, and previously I was working into a different domain. So I just wanted to switch over. So I thought, let me upskill myself.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Rudresh. Yeah.
Yeah,
Hi, I can
my
start.
Okay. Anyone? Mahesh, you can go. Naveen. Yeah.
Can I start?
Yes.
Hi, all. Myself Naveen. I am from Kuppam, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation BSc in 2017. I total experience for a different domain. Thank
So
you
you
all.
want? Yeah. You wanted to switch to IT. Yeah. Thanks.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hi, myself Narayana. I'm having total 6+ years of experience. First, initial career was in system admin. After that, I moved to the SQL DBA. Currently, I'm also working in some company, Chennai-based company. I want to learn more things for that high availabilities and career enhancements for
Okay.
this starting this course,
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, Naren. Yeah.
especially for Azure. Yeah, thank you.
Definitely. Yeah.
Hello everyone. Good morning.
Yeah. Hi.
Myself
Good morning.
Suraj Kennett. I am from Pune, Maharashtra. Total, I am having 5 years of experience as a DBA. From last 1 year, I am working in cloud, Azure Cloud, as a DBA. Now I want to enhance the knowledge of Azure Cloud. So yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Hi all, good morning. I am Sriram Vandana. I am basically living in Andhra. I completed BTech in 2012. I don't have any work experience.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks, Vandana. Yeah. Okay. So thanks everyone for your great introduction. Okay, so that is very pleasure to meet you everyone. Okay, so who already having some little bit experience over the any technology, sir. Either you are working as a banking sector or call center sector or any financial sector, or you are working as in IT. Definitely we are need to be learners. Every day we need to be learners, sir. Until unless we are working, you should learn something. Either it can be SQL, or it can be Azure, it can be anything else, sir. Definitely you will get it out why we need to learn only SQL. We have lot many great technologies are available, like data science, artificial intelligence, okay, internet of thinking. uh, we have a lot of other technologies, right? So why you will have definitely one question mark, sir. Everyone having one question mark. There is a brand. So when you go for database management system, in the database management system itself, we have a lot of technologies, sir. Like you can go for MSSQL Server or Oracle or MySQL or Portuguese SQL or MongoDB or Teradata or Cosmos DB. We have around 200 300 plus database management system throughout the global. But we know as a Indian, okay, as a throughout the global, most of the people know around 10 top 10 RDBMS technologies. We will discuss all in the details in the coming sessions. Definitely. Okay, so why we need to choose Microsoft product? That you will have definitely one question mark, sir. And also, what is our next future, next generation? Okay, after a couple of years, definitely where you need to stand. Everyone mustn't should make one decision, sir. What is next 2 years where I need to stand? After 3 years, where I need to stand? That is also everyone make one question mark. Also, definitely, sir, we are planning MongoDB as well. So our definitely we are planning in this batch also we are going to introduce MongoDB. So one of last batch student, he's he's not like a student, sir. He's also working. He's having more than my experience. He learned SQL DB with me, and he wanted to interest over Oracle and MongoDB. Let's see whether we will come up with Oracle this batch, or we'll come up with the MongoDB. And we will also going to charge little bit, not additional, sir, more amount. But let's see what is the course content is coming up, and how many people are interested to learn the MongoDB as well, so that your resume will be more weightage. Definitely, at least everyone is nowadays asking two different technologies. You go for any other, sir. Definitely, they are asking two different technologies, like SQL DB with MySQL, SQL DB with PostgreSQL, SQL DB with MongoDB. Not Oracle, sir. SQL and not Oracle. Oracle with PostgreSQL, Oracle with MongoDB. Because SQL and Oracle is the one of the leading database management system throughout the global. So Microsoft products, sir. This is completely Microsoft product. Okay. So we are trying to plan the MongoDB as well. Definitely, I will let you know, sir, in our journey of 60 days. Definitely, that is one I make a note. And so before we go and start our session, what we are going to discuss overall this 60 days or 65 days. Make session more interactive, sir. On day one, I am telling you should stop me anytime, and you can just raise your voice, ask your doubts, clarify your questions within our sessions. Okay, every 2 weeks I am going to take the mock interviews. Definitely this time, like after 2 weeks, whatever we discuss these 2 weeks, I will definitely make a 30 minutes or 40 minutes within our session, and I will go ask the questions, sir. So I will provide you the material, along with complete material, along with the FAQs, frequently asked questions. So you should thoroughly go and refer that one and prepare that one. You should by heart that one, sir. Make a note. Now, so what we are going to discuss within this 60 days, first thing. So First, we are going to start with the sorry, sir. Let me. Yeah. First, we are going to start with the L1, sir. Means basic level. What is SQL Server? Okay. What are the internals of the SQL Server? Like we will start with the internal concepts. What is SQL Server? What is the history of the SQL Server? How many versions till now Microsoft has been introduced? Okay, and we'll also discuss how to install the SQL Server. What is the SQL Server architecture? Very important, sir. Architecture and storage architecture and internal concepts like checkpoint, lazy-writer. We'll discuss some internal concepts. Once we complete this core concepts, sir, first 10 days is very important. uh, Definitely you will see a lot of confusion on your mind, but you need to hold for 10 days, sir, because the basement is very important. Every batch I will tell, the basement is very important. So first 10 days you are going to build the basement, sir. So how SQL Server is working internally. Okay, so that is very important. Means, sir, when you open Amazon, so for example you are opening everyone knows Amazon. When you open Amazon, when you open Flipkart, when you open any other apps, so you are trying to first sign in and you are going to provide your email address and password. Okay, so where that email address sorry, where that email address and password is storing, sir? Somewhere it needs to store, right? Agree, not agree, sir? Everyone?
Thing.
Yes, somewhere it needs to store. Whenever you are placing one order, so assume you place a wrong order, what you will do, you will again open your order and you will go and click on cancel this order. Or you will by mistakenly you updated the wrong address, what you will do, you will update your order. So throughout the global, we are going to perform three main transactions, sir. Four main transactions. One is reading the data, one is inserting the data, one is updating the data, one is deleting the data. So these four transactions throughout the global you are performing. So where you are storing this data, sir? Somewhere, right? That is nothing but our SQL Server, Oracle, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, something else, sir. Okay, maybe Amazon is using SQL Server, SBA is using SQL Server, ICICI Bank is using Oracle, any other database management system, sir. So somewhere you need to store your data. Take your Aadhaar card, mobile numbers, okay, insurance IDs, or e-commerce applications like Flipkart or Amazon or banking sector. Sir, where your data is storing, gigahertz of data will be storing, sir. So whenever I will open here and I will show you, maybe our database size will be very little bit small. But if you go to the real world, you are playing with the data. Please be careful, sir. Day one I am telling, you are playing with the data, so you should be more careful whenever you are doing something. If you feel that that will impact the something, you should double check that every time. Hope you understand. So this is how SQL Server looks like, apart from nothing else. So you are going to create the database. So for example, this ICICI Bank data is storing your data in this database. So this is the sample database, sir, which Microsoft provided. See, address, okay, person data, email address data, country region data, contact type data, business entity data, address. See, it's a generic kind of data will be stored in the databases, sir. Okay, so what we are learning, sir, means we are reading the database management system, how we are going to maintain the, sir, you no need to worry about what kind of data here storing, but you should know about what kind of application this SQL is holding. Sir, take SBA bank, sir. So everyone knows about SBA, right? So take SBA. In SBA, how many applications are available? Car loans, home loans, personal loans, okay, SBA life insurance, health insurance, okay, yes or no?
Yes.
SBA is your client, sir. SBA is your client, but every client having n number of applications. So for that application, you are going to work, sir. Your project is SBA. I am agreeing, sir. But within that project, how many applications you are handling? That is very important. So who is our primary contact, sir? Application team. So you want whatever you are, sir. You are not a decision maker. Who will decision maker? Your application team. You should contact your application team via email, via Teams. So application team is our primary contact. Make a note, everyone. So try to understand the logic, sir, before we go into the SQL. So what we are going to learn in next 60 days, sir? Okay, we are going to learn our one of the database management system which is designed by Microsoft. Clear? Not clear? Any questions, sir? Questions?
No, sir.
So throughout your journey, you will stay back with this SQL Server only. Apart from nothing, sir. So there is no more content, sir, but very less, but that is very interesting concepts. Okay. So first we are going to learn how to install the SQL Server. So definitely, as a SQL Server engineers, you must and should know how to install the SQL Server. What are the features are available? What are the activities we can perform? So what will happen if I perform certain things? That is very, very important, sir. Okay. So that we are going to cover. In first week, we are going to discuss complete base concepts, sir. So installation, configurations, what is database, uh, what is the data files, log files, how, and also we are going to discuss about free space storage as well, sir, storage architecture. Once we complete this core concept, then we'll go and discuss about security part. Security is also one of the very, very important concepts. That means how you are going to protect, sir. If you're not protecting your databases, anyone can access the database and anyone can perform anything, sir. You know about the hackers, right? So daily, at least in a year, twice, thrice, you are listening that okay, someone is hacking something. So hackers are everywhere global, sir. So how you are going to protect your databases data? That is also very important, sir. First, in first half, we are going to discuss core concept. In second half, means second month, we'll discuss little bit advanced concept in the securities. There are lot many, sir. In the security itself, there are lot many things that we are going to cover in the next month, sir. Means in the overall 60 days, first half we are going to discuss only L1 related, second half we are going to discuss L3 related. So at L3 level you will get it, the people who are already working, why Subbu is not teaching uh, in depth, so that you will get in the second half, sir. Okay, make a note. uh, in the security itself, there are a lot many things, sir. First half we are going to discuss what you are going to do every day. Second half, what we will see whenever we are having something issue. Means, so for example, you are not connecting to your application, so your application team is not able to connect, then definitely they will reach out to you, sir. Okay. So security is very, very important, sir. And how you are going to protect your databases. So how you are going to protect your databases, sir? By taking the backup and restore. You are also going to protect your data, right, sir? Your photos, your videos, your educational documents. How you are going to protect? You are going to take the backup and you will keep in your personal laptop, email, Gmail, or Google Drive, or your hard disk, right? And pen drives also, right? Yes or no? Yes. No, sir.
Yes.
Like same, we are going to also protect our databases by taking the backup and restore, sir. Sir, we are not guaranteed, right? Sir, this is a software. Sir, SQL Server is a software. Something suddenly may occur. Suddenly your voice got corrupted. Suddenly your SQL got corrupted. Suddenly your database got corrupted. Suddenly your disk got corrupted. Suddenly your file got corrupted. Someone unfortunately deleted, sir. Sir, these are all natural. Someone human made mistake also, right? Instead of deleting this database, you deleted this database. Instead of deleting this table, you deleted this table, sir. Instead of deleting one record, you deleted one more record. So either it can be human made mistake or it can be natural, sir. How you can recover, that is also very important task for DBA, sir. So that we are going to cover with the help of backup and restore. With the help of backup and restore. So as a database administrator, how you are going to protect your databases? You need to protect your databases from the disaster. Means suddenly something may happen, sir. We are not guaranteed, right? Suddenly your laptop may corrupt, your mobile may corrupt, sir. What you will do? You will go to the customer care, right? Like same, our application team will reach out to the DBA people. Hey DBA, can you please help me? Okay, so we are going to discuss backup and restore. Very important, sir. Once we complete backup and restore, okay, then we'll go to the L2, sir. Next level. L1 is completed, sir. Like backups, restores, protecting, granting the permissions, installing the SQL Server, validating our SQL servers. That is L1 DBA, sir. Like freshers. Okay. Now we are little bit experienced people, sir. Now we are going to start with the L2 level. Means level 2, sir. Experienced people. So we will start with the log shipping, database mirroring, replication. So replication is the one of the toughest concept in SQL Server. Entire our SQL Server, replication is the one of the most toughest concept. But we are going to discuss a lot in the replications. Sir, almost uh, 15 hours we are going to spend only on replications, or almost 4 hours. So 4 to 5 days we are going to spend in replication. Uh, Traditional replication, advanced level replication, always on with replication. Replication itself is a tough concept. Again, we are going to make little bit more complex. Replication with always on, sir. Always on is the one of the great feature which is introduced in the SQL Server 2012 onwards, sir. From the 2012, you came with the greatest feature in the entire SQL Server. That is nothing but always on availability group. So replication, we are going to become more stronger, double stronger, sir, once we complete this one. Everything we are going to discuss with the live demos and live troubleshooting, sir. Log shipping, configuration, troubleshooting, mirroring, configuration, troubleshooting, replication, configuration, troubleshooting, sir. And now we are going to discuss about the clusters, sir. Basically, if you wanted to build the clusters, definitely your laptop must and should contain 12 GB of RAM minimum, sir. Minimum 12 GB of RAM. Maximum you can keep for 16 GB of RAM or 32 GB of RAM. Then your laptop will run, sir. So it's very difficult to all our students. Again, you need to go for increase your RAM. Okay, so we are going to implement entire clusters over cloud, sir. So no need to enhance your laptop. Okay, no need to do anything in your laptop configuration changes, sir. Everything we are going to build in the clusters always on itself, sir. Sorry, in the Azure itself, sir. Okay, so here we are going to see two differences: how to build Windows cluster in Windows Server 2016 and Windows Server 2019, sir. Basically, when you go to the Azure platform, sir, this is Azure, completely Microsoft product, sir. We are going to discuss. Wait a second, Sai. Second, sir. Okay, 1 second, sir. Let me verify the code. Okay, so we are going to build the clusters over the Azure, sir. Definitely, you need to be more patient whenever we are discussing clusters. Usually, every day we are going to take around 2 hours, 2 hours, 30 minutes, sir. But when we are going to discuss the cluster, you need to spend more than 3 hours. Okay, because I need to build the servers, I need to build the networks, I need to build the storage. On top of that, we need to configure the cluster, sir. Okay, definitely you need to spend uh, almost 3 to 4 hours. But we are going, no worries, sir. We are going to build the clusters always on only on the weekends, sir. Okay, Saturday, Sunday, because we everyone having more time on Saturday, Sunday, right? So we are going to plan over the weekends, and we are going to build complete clusters along with the always on, on top of Azure, sir. No need to enhance your laptop. Make a note, sir. And also we are going to see what is the major difference you will notice when you are configuring cluster on Windows Server 2016 on Windows Server 2019. That is also we are going to cover. And also we are going to cover always on, traditional always on, okay, single subnet always on, multi subnet always on, along with the always on with the DNN name, distributed network name, sir. So you are going to get 4 different approaches over the always on: single subnet, multi subnet, DNN, distributed network name, along with the load balancers. Okay, so because everyone is looking over the cloud, the people who are already experienced, they are here to learn the cloud, sir. So for them, for you also, we are going to teach how to build always on top of load balancers. Yep, 1 second, sir. Yep, yeah, yeah. This is how your Azure looks like, sir. The people who are already starting career. So here also we are going to learn SQL databases, okay, SQL servers, and virtual missions. In this virtual mission, we are going to build the clusters. No need to do in your laptops, sir. Everything we are going to do in the Azure itself. Any questions? The people who are already working as a SQL DBA, sir. Anything you feel that I was missing in cluster part and always on part that you are expecting from me, sir? Definitely raise your voice. I am here to teach you only, sir. You can ask me whatever questions you are.
Sir, is this
Yes.
part of Azure or on-premises? What
Okay.
exactly?
On premises, yeah, good question, sir. On premises is nothing but our premises, sir. So, for your understanding, let me give you, sir. For example, you are having 1 lakh rupees, sir. If you are keeping that 1 lakh rupee within your home, within your premises, sir, that is you need to protect your that 1 lakh rupee everything, sir. But if you are keeping that 1 lakh rupee in someone else, like in the bank, sir, in the bank, or you are giving that 1 lakh rupee for someone else, okay, for interest, that is cloud. A cloud is nothing but someone else data center. We are keeping our data, sir. That can be Azure, that can be AWS, that can be Google Cloud, that can be Alibaba Cloud, that can be IBM Cloud. Sir, we have lot many cloud providers. So we are going to keep our data in someone else data center, sir. That is nothing but cloud. Clear? This is cloud, sir, and this is on premises. Means these instances on premises are how you are calling it is on premises, sir. This instance data is handling in my laptop, sir. If something happened to my laptop, everything is gone. Everything is gone, sir. So I need to protect my laptop. I need to secure my laptop. I need to secure my data. This is my laptop, sir. So if you're keeping same data in cloud, Microsoft need to take care all this, sir. Microsoft need to protect your data. Microsoft need to secure your data. You are just paying, sir. Like buying a car is on premises, sir. Booking Ola, Uber, that is nothing but cloud. You understand?
Got it.
Sir, please connect in mobile, sir. Most of the time, if your internet is not good, connect your mobile using mobile and just keep your headset, sir. That will be more clear, because if you're not using Wi-Fi, if you're using Wi-Fi, laptop will be good. And keep away, sit away from your mobiles or TVs. You won't get any disturbance when you are asking a questions. Okay, so cloud part also we are going to discuss, sir, and I will also guide you the difference between AWS and Azure, sir. Always whenever we are discussing anything, I will compare with AWS and Azure, sir. Sir, almost all are same flavors only. See, whenever you open Amazon, whenever you open Flipkart, you will see any difference, sir? Any major difference you will see? Anyone? Just raise your voice, sir. Don't sit idle. Yes, no. No, right? Amazon is also selling the products. Flipkart is also selling the products. So they are selling their own products, and here they are selling their own customer products. Like same, AWS is also selling their devices services. AWS is also selling the devices. Google Cloud, Alibaba, almost similar, sir. The flavors will be different. Means the screen will be different. Okay, the payment will be different. The wizard will be different. The looking will be different, sir. Underlying concept will be same, sir. So what I am going to do, right? I am going to always portraying the difference between Azure and AWS, so that in case if you get a chance to work in AWS, then you will at least you are having a better idea. Okay, Subbu sir told that, okay, almost how Azure is working, AWS also work, because sir, AWS is our grandfather. AWS is the grandfather, sir. From AWS only we started building, we started designing, sir. Azure is completely designed based on AWS. No worries, sir. Then you can understand. Okay, AWS is the one of the topmost cloud leader in the throughout the global, and the second topmost is Microsoft Azure, sir. As we are a Microsoft lovers, Microsoft engineers, so we are going to learn Azure, sir. Okay, AWS is also same, Azure is also same. Yep, you may also get a chance to work in AWS. So that's the reason I am going to compare every time, sir. Every time I will compare what is Azure, what we are going to do is Azure, what we will call it in AWS. But almost your deployment will be same. But the differences you should understand. Okay. Yep.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So once we
Okay.
no. Please be mute, sir. Whenever your surrounding having some disturbance, others will disturb. Okay. Mohan, just make a silence and ask your question. In case if you are having disturbance, you can ping me in the chat window. Go to meeting chat window. Okay, that's we are going to cover, sir. And once we complete always on, and we are going to start with the Azure, sir. Azure, what is cloud? What is the difference between cloud and on-premises? What are the different service tiers are available? Okay, means deployments are available. Okay, service models are available, and we are also going to cover what is Azure SQL database, how to take backups in cloud, how to restore in cloud, okay, how to protect your in cloud, and a couple of concepts are what is elastic pool, elastic queries, elastic jobs, and also we are going to discuss what is geo replication, failure groups, and one of the great activities are very important activity, that is nothing but migration, because the people who are already working, they are looking for this concept, sir. So we are going to discuss almost 6 to 7 mechanism how you are going to migrate this database into cloud, sir, into cloud. Okay, so now this database is available in my premises, in my laptop. So how you are going to move this database into cloud? That can be any cloud, sir. Either it can be Azure, it can be Google Cloud, it can be Alibaba Cloud, it can be AWS. How you are going to migrate? So we are going to cover almost 6 to 7 mechanisms. Okay, 6 to 7 mechanisms, sir. Import, export, generate script, backpack, DACpack. Okay, export the database, DMA, DMS, again in DMS, offline DMS, online DMS, replication, sir. So using different mechanisms, how you are going to move your data which is handling in on premises to the cloud. So this is the one of the greatest activity. Everyone is waiting for this one, sir. Most of the experienced people will come to me for this and for this, sir. For this, always on. Okay. So we are going to lot, sir. We are going to spend almost a lot of time for this one. Once we complete this entire concepts, okay, now you are going to go for tuning, sir. Tuning, sir. Until unless you are strong at tuning, don't tell you are a DBA, sir. So DBA means, okay, Subbu sir, I am going to take the backups. I am going to restore the backups. I am going to grant the permission. I am configuring log shipping, mirroring, always on clusters. Sir, configuration even 10th class students also will do. If we teach how to do, 10th class students will also do. Okay, 10th class students will also do, sir. But when you will tell that I am strong at SQL, when you are strong at tuning, sir, almost we are going to spend 15 days in the tuning part. 1 week clusters and always on. 1 week completely for Azure. 2 weeks we are going to spend completely on the tuning part, sir. So log file troubleshoot, data file troubleshoot, temp DB architecture, log file architecture, what is CPU, how to troubleshoot whenever, sir, if you open task manager, sir, if you open task manager, you will see the CPU, memory, disk, network. Okay, so if you CPU, sir, now see CPU is okay, sir, CPU is running pretty much good, sir. See, your CPU is running pretty much good and it is hitting 48%, 52%. Let me do one thing, sir, to make demo part. Okay, let me do, hold on, sir. Okay, well and good, sir. Now you can see the CPU, sir. How much CPU is hitting, sir?
Person.
100%. Suddenly something may happen, sir. We are not guaranteed, right? Okay, suddenly your CPU is hitting 100%. See, sir, when you go here, your CPU is hitting 100%. Suddenly something happened and your CPU is throttling to 100%. Your memory is throttling to 100%. Your disk is also is not performing up to the mark, sir. How you will troubleshoot? Okay, so tuning is very important, sir. Okay, most of the people is skipping the tuning. Tuning is the one of the great thing where you need to learn, sir. So we are going to spend, sir, see, completely your CPU is piled up like anything, sir. Even your memory is also almost It is getting full. Almost out of 8 GB, almost 7 GB is consumed. Oh my God. Again, if I close all these things, done. Again, your CPU will come idle state. See, sir, again your CPU is reducing. Okay, pretty much is good now. So how to troubleshoot when our CPU is hitting high? How to troubleshoot when our memory is hitting high? How to troubleshoot if disk are not performing up to the mark? Sir, easily, it is easy for us, sir, but how you can convey to the Windows team, hey, Windows team, there is nothing issue with our SQL server. There is something else you need to look into the server level as well. That is also very important concept, sir. So troubleshooting, we are going to discuss CPU, memory, IO, log file, DB, data file, and also 18456 error, sir. And I will share the material for you. Like how I will share means, so where I kept it, yeah. So I will prepare every batch. I will prepare this material, sir. Whenever I'm explaining, I will explain you completely. So how to troubleshoot log file and what are the steps you need to follow in real world. So to troubleshoot log file itself, these many steps are there, sir. So people who are already working, if I ask the question, they will tell, okay, we will string the log file. Who told you to string the log file, sir? Then no one is having question. Answer, sir. So how to troubleshoot log file? How to troubleshoot DB? How to troubleshoot CPU? How to troubleshoot IO? How to troubleshoot user is not connecting to the SQL server. That itself will take around 4 to 5 hours, sir, to explain this only one scenario. Here you will get lot of additional concepts. What is SSL certificates? What is TLS certificates? What is NDLM authentications? What is Kerberos authentications? What is SPNs? How to see the SPNs? How to fix the SPNs? Sir, I am not of telling that, okay, don't get panic, sir. We are going to discuss everything with the live demos. Okay, I am telling you, you should learn this concept as a very interest, sir. Even my students are having more than double than my experience. Okay, so you will go every time you will contact Sai, right? Sai, previously Sai is working in IBM. Okay, Sai SME is my student, sir. I placed him, so no worries on that part. So don't see the experience, you should see how much knowledge you are gaining. That is the first important, sir. Okay, so I will share this document to you, sir, no worries. So these are all we are going to cover in 60 days. Okay, 60 to 70 days are definitely, it may go for 70 days as well. And sometimes even I will take morning and evening, sir. Morning and evening sometimes. Okay, definitely we are getting too many festivals, right? Diwali or Dasra. Okay, so I won't take on that day sessions. So whenever we are missing on that sessions, so I will take at evening, sir. Okay, please make a prepare on your mind. But whatever I promise you, definitely we'll discuss, sir. Any questions? If you feel that I
What?
was missing something.
Yeah. What about on-premise migrations from lower versions to higher versions
No,
2012?
definitely, sir. Definitely, that is also migrations will cover everything, sir. First, we are going to discuss on-prem only. Later, we'll go for cloud, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Every activity, sir. Along with this, sir, you will also you should everyone go to our YouTube channel, sir. Sir, just you need to go to YouTube and just search for Azure SQL Champ. Okay, you will get our YouTube channel, sir. Uh, Go to our YouTube channel.
Can can
Sorry,
we access on previous batches videos to
no, sir.
prepare an advanced level? Is there any choice for that?
Yes,
For
sir.
the
If you do the payment, definitely will grant the previous batch as well. Without payment, no, sir.
Yes, payment means need to be separate or within the class,
One
within
second.
the
Sai,
course.
1 second, sir. Sai, 1 second. Yeah, within this course only, no need any additional payment, sir.
Yeah,
If you pay for this one, last batch also will grant, sir.
because of
Because
sometimes.
almost similar only. Because whatever here, whatever 34 batch, 35th batch, okay, 33rd batch. So same will be covered in every batch, sir. But every batch you are learning something new, sir.
Okay.
Every batch, because whatever in these 60 days, whatever I got new troubleshooting or new enhancement, that I am going to implement in every batch. Whenever I'm implementing, I will add 35th batch, 34th batch, 33rd batch as well. So that is the reason every time my students will be close with me. And along with that one, sir, you will also get the L1 sessions here. Apart from this 60 to 65 sessions, there is a separate playlist, sir, L1. So you need to go to this L1 playlist as well. Here also you will get 15 more sessions, sir. Okay, now almost 6 sessions are being done. You will get 10 more sessions. You need to go and watch these sessions as well, along with our 60 sessions. This is free, sir. Everyone can access. Okay, you must and should watch this sessions as well. This is not covered in live sessions, sir. You should go and watch here, and if you have any questions, you should ask in the live sessions. Okay, because we are going to spend more time on advanced level instead of spending a basic level, sir. Basic level I already done and I placed in the our playlist, sir. You can go and watch here. Okay. Yes. No, sir.
Yes, it's the same timings to continue for the batch for next 60 days. Or is there
Yes, sir. Only
anything changed?
mostly no, sir. Most probably, sir. Every day the batch will be there. Okay. Either sometimes if I stuck with some activity, I forget to share the meeting invite, sir. But please be ready at 7:45, sir. If I'm sharing the meeting in the group, sir, mostly everyone is part of the group, sir. Use that group as our entire this 60 days, not sir, entire our lifespan as a DBA. You can use that group, sir, for your queries, for your doubts. Okay, you can use that channel, that WhatsApp group, sir. Okay, only one timing, sir. Only morning I will take. I told you, right? Sometimes I will also take at evening.
It's a same day,
Because
it's a morning and evening also it's a taking or
no, morning and evening sometimes, sir. Same day out, sir.
yeah,
If so,
okay.
for example, 15th is our holiday, sir. Assume. Okay, so next day I will take morning as usually, and evening I will take 1 hour, 1.5 hour. Don't I won't take evening sessions more than 1.5 hours, sir. I will take only 1 hour.
Yeah,
Sir,
okay. It's fine.
sir, I
It
planned
will
like
be on the holiday
sorry.
because I have office in the evening.
No, only 1 hour. Only at rare case, ma'am. I won't take every day. I'm taking telling that I will take, but very rare case. Very rare case.
Okay.
Sir, you are
So
seeing in live. I am not telling anything, right? See, still 75 sessions are done, but still 5 more sessions are pending for this batch because I wanted to show them in live, sir. I don't want show them okay theoretical part. So I yesterday created a database in the cloud and I just stressing the database, sir. See, I'm going to stress the database. See, I stress here. Again, I stress here. Today, I'm going to stress. Tomorrow, I'm going to stress. Then I will go for sensor because I need to stress the database to show you real world experience. So simply if I telling theoretical, hey, go here and see the CPU utilization, memory utilization, means that is not fair for you and that is not fair for me. So I need to search the database. I need to show them as a real world experience. See, I am stressing here and I will show them, hey, see the metrics. So here suddenly something happened and your utilization went to 60%. Suddenly something happened, your utilization went something here bit higher than zero. So what happened in this time? So that level of experience you will see in your batch as also, sir. Yeah, you can ask.
I have a question. So if I miss a class, are you going to upload it somewhere so that I can go back to it and watch it?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Every follow our YouTube channel. I am going to
Yeah.
create a batch 37 playlist here.
Okay.
Every day recording will be uploaded in the patch 37. You no need to worry, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Every session will be in the playlist only. You can go and watch, sir. Until unless YouTube will come to me, I never delete these videos. Okay, no worries, sir. Even if YouTube ask, I will delete the old uh, playlist, and I already maintaining all their email address, mobile numbers, everything, sir. In case if you are changing your mobile number, try to update me or Sai, sir. Subbu, I am going to update my mobile number. Okay. So use our YouTube channel and use our WhatsApp group, sir, throughout your lifespan.
Okay. And so every time you're just going to post it on the WhatsApp, when is the next class?
Exactly, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So just raise your voice again. I'm requesting everyone on the day one itself, sir. Just raise your voice. Whatever it may be silly question, it may be very important question. You need to raise your voice. Why? Because I'm requesting. In case you got a placement, definitely you need to attend the meetings. That is not handled by me, sir. That should handle by you. You need to talk to on-site engineers, on-site application team. Whatever they are telling, you can't understand. So you will see lot of difficulties, everyone. So try to adapt from here itself. So feel this is a meeting. You are learning something new. Okay, sir. I know in the YouTube you will see a lot of people who are posting a blah 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 something. Okay, we are teaching it genuinely. That you can believe me, sir. Every batch, all the students are pretty much happy with our trainings, because whatever I promise you, at least it may delay, sir. Sometimes again I'm telling, it may delay, but I will complete it, sir. Whatever I promise you, definitely will get it. Questions?
Sir, I have one general question.
Yeah.
So if it is related to SQL or not. So nowadays,
Basically your voice is not that much your
it
voice
is
is that
audible.
much not clear. Echo sign.
What about now?
Yes.
Uh, Actually, everyone is telling now something known as document
Again
code.
same issue. No, again same issue.
Okay, just give me a moment, sir. I'll change the location.
Yeah. Okay. And one more thing, sir. Okay. So we are going to upload all our scripts in the GitHub. Okay. So I am going to share you the entire script, sir, whatever you want throughout your lifespan. Okay. So all the scripts. Okay. So instead of every time I'm sharing over email, over WhatsApp, let's keep everything in one repository, sir. That is nothing but GitHub. Okay. So at the ending, I will explain you what is GitHub, how important is GitHub, and I will also, you can find all the scripts in our GitHub, sir. Yesterday we started created this one. Okay. Here also, this is my number, sir. You can reach out me. This is Sai number. You can reach out to Sai, sir. Any technical question, You can reach out me anytime, but try to reach out me over WhatsApp. That is my humble request, sir. You can reach out me anytime over the WhatsApp. I will be always available. Any process oriented, access oriented, uh, you can reach out Sai, sir. Okay, technical also you can reach out me Sai. Okay, in case you are not getting that much, you can definitely reach out to me, sir. But process oriented, access oriented, uh, any questionnaires over entire over 60 days or afterwards also, you can reach out to me, Sai, sir. Okay, so we are going to upload
Uh,
all our scripts in the GitHub repository. Yes, sir.
yes, we need to share via our email ID to regarding the script to share the email.
No, sir. You will get directly. I will share my GitHub link, sir. In whenever you are working in office, everywhere, sir, you can access this scripts. But definitely, I
Yes,
will take
okay.
your email address, sir. On 17th onwards, I will take your email address. Now also you can share it, sir. Will make it bookmark somewhere. But 17th, from 17th, we are going to start actual sessions. Okay, because you know that 15th is our Independence Day.
Yes, yes,
Okay, most
yeah.
of the people are in vacation. I can't disturb them, sir, and they will back on
Yeah,
16th.
okay.
So 17th we are going to start, sir, without any delay. No, sir. 17th we are going to start, and I am going to finish your batch on uh, October 30th. I'm directly telling, sir. October 30 is your last one. Not October, sir. We'll start. We'll end bit early only. 17th I'm going to start means definitely it will go for
Maybe I think
27th,
so. It's yeah.
23rd or 24th will complete, sir. Every sessions here I'm going to upload, sir. You no need miss any session. No worries. In case you are not able to join, you are having some personal issue or emergency issues. No worries, sir. We'll upload in the playlist. Yes. Any questions still?
Yeah, and one more thing, can you teach any third-party tools like backup or something? Use
Yes,
any
sir.
real time?
I can't provide you live, sir, but I will share the screenshots. ITL process I'm going to explain. Uh, ITL process I'm going to explain, sir, completely. Very, very interesting. And also I'm going to explain what is your next future, sir. Okay. I am thinking that maybe your batch is the first batch where I'm going to teach Azure synonyms and the Azure data lake. Okay, because I'm going to start from next week. It may take 1 month, right? 1.5 months. I will prepare everything, sir. Sir, means first I need to prepare the PPT. Before I teach you something, sir, first I need to prepare the PPT. I need to do lot of homework. Once my homework is done, then I'm going to teach you, sir. Okay, I'm thinking that I need to give two more service. One is Azure Synonyms, one is Azure Data Lake. One of my friend who is working in Microsoft uh, is working in Azure Synonyms. I will request him to teach Azure Synonyms live demo, sir. Okay. Yes. Yes, sir. Backup tool I am going to explain you. Monitoring tool I am going to explain you. ITL process I am going to. That is the main reason, sir, why I made L1 DBA as a public. Because 60 days is not sufficient for me, sir. You just now you saw the content. Sir, 15 days I need to go for performance tuning. 1 week I need to go for always on cluster. 1 week I need to go for replication. 1 month is gone, sir. Then only I am having 1 month. 10 days I will go for core concept, installations, storage, SQL, backups, restores, recovery models. Then what about 20 days, sir? I'm having only 20 days. I hope you are getting, sir. So
Yes, yes.
that is the reason I made L1 as a public, sir. Don't think that why Subbu you are not teaching L1. That is also very, sir. Whatever I am placing in this playlist, very, 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 very important. You should must and should watch, sir. Okay, don't skip this one. Only focus on 37 playlist. You should focus this one as well. And you are getting three more playlists, sir. That is also you need to go to. One is SSIS, one is SSRS, one is SSAS. Integration service, analysis service, reporting service. That is also you need to go, sir. You are getting full-fledged DBA, sir. You no need to go anywhere. That is my intention. That is the reason everyone is pretty much happy, sir. Even the people who are already teaching, they will also suggest my name. Couple of peoples. Don't believe who are teaching for 10,000, who are teaching for 8,000. Bullshit, sir. You are wasting your amount. I am taking, why I am taking this much price? See the course content and believe me. That's it.
So, like after the course, do you have any kind of questions or things that to prepare for the interviews?
I am planning, ma'am. That is up to your interest, everyone. If you
Okay.
wanted to take mock interviews from next month, every week I will take, sir. I am for you only. You should utilize me like anything, sir.
Okay. Yeah,
Definitely,
because
ma'am.
I'm very interested for interview mock sessions if you have it.
Definitely. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Definitely. Yeah.
Sir, is my voice now visible, audible
Yes.
for you without
Yes.
any issue?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, the thing is, see, what will be the future of DBA? Nowadays, all are going like
That I
Docker,
will explain
Docker
you, sir.
things.
That's what, sir.
Okay.
That is the main reason I am taking two more services, new services for you. One is Azure Synonyms, one is Azure Data Lake, sir. That is next
Okay.
feature, next generation, sir, for you. Sir, my intention, I will definitely tell you, sir, I am not getting that much time actually. Uh, I was stuck earlier. Now almost I was free. Okay. I already started, sir. Uh, I am not telling to you like a blah blah blah, but I started already for you people. Azure Data Factory is next your generation, sir. Azure Data Factory, Azure Data Bricks, Azure Synonyms, Azure Data Analytics is next feature. So I am going to prepare, sir. Once it is ready, then I will go for live demos. Definitely, I will tell you people, we are going to start a new generation. But I need to first ready, sir. First, I need to ready the material that which you can understand easily. Okay, got you, sir.
Okay, sir, got it. Thank you.
Definitely, I will tell you, sir. Whenever we are starting Azure, what is your next future? Where you need to stand after 5 years? Definitely, I will tell you, sir. That is also my plan. That is also my intention of my students as well, sir. We are learners. Again, I'm telling we are learners. Every day you need to learn. That's it. I just started preparing, sir. It may take a lot of time for me. Yeah. Questions?
So my question is
Subbu,
like,
I have a
are we,
small doubt.
sorry.
Yes. No problem, ma'am. You can.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
So my,
you can.
okay, thank you. So I just wanted to ask, like, are we gonna do the Azure at the end of it, or we'll start with
No, ma'am.
Azure?
No, ma'am. First, we are going to discuss, first 30 days, we are going to discuss completely on premises. But that is hard for us because
Right.
whatever you are learning, same thing it can be applicable for cloud, ma'am. So first 30 days will sit on premises. Okay.
Okay.
Next 30
Yeah.
days will completely sit on Azure.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Yes, Mohan. Mohan, you were asking something? Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Uh,
Yeah, Mohan, your voice is breaking. No, 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 your voice is breaking, Mohan.
oh, really?
Now it's okay.
Now?
Now it's okay.
Yeah. Sorry for that. In my area, I'm facing some network issues. Okay.
Okay. Oh shit. When you are asking question, your network is not good. When you are speaking something, that is good.
Oh, now Subbu,
Now it's okay.
my question is, just now we have discussed about Azure Data Factory and Databricks, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for that, do we need to record any coding skills?
No, sir. That is completely, sir. In the SQL itself, there is BA tools as well, sir. See, integrate analysis service, reporting service, integration service. So these three definitely
Yes,
you
so yeah.
require little bit coding, sir. Little bit coding.
Okay.
Integration service
Okay.
in on-premises you are calling as
Oh,
integration service, sir. In cloud you are calling as Azure
okay.
Data Factory, sir. In cloud it is a data factory.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, Subbu.
Maybe I am coming from next year, sir. 2023. I am coming with the concept called Azure Data Analytics. That is
Okay.
my next generation, sir. Maybe first couple of sessions, okay, I won't charge that much price, but later, let's see how it will go. But I don't want blame any student, sir. That is my
Oh,
intention. That is greater than my experience, less than my experience, freshers. I don't want blame anyone because you are giving a amount from your pocket that is very important for us. So just spend more time with
okay.
me, give more time with me, give more time with me, give more time with me. How much time you are giving to me, you are learning that much knowledge, sir. That's it. Day one itself, I'm telling, sir. If you give more time to me, I will teach better, sir. In the internet, we have lot many they are posting every 15 days. I am not sure how they are completing. Within 15 days, how they are completing, sir. I was little bit shocked. Within 15 days, how it is possible? 60 days, 65 days, I am not able to finish a batch. Great. Our movie is like Rajamouli movie, sir. Like our movie will be Rajamouli movie. It will take a lot of time.
No, it's great
But
because I think your courses are really detailed. Not all the courses are detailed as this.
thanks, ma'am.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, nowadays we are it's a web series going on, right? That is it's good, I think.
Sir, my intention is also same, sir. You should not depend on anyone. If you
Yes,
start
yes.
learning from day one, sir, money is not important. Again, I am requesting. Don't see the money, sir. Just see the relationship. So the people who spend with me, uh, they enjoyed their life and they settle down like anything, sir. So we last week, 10 days, 15 days before only we just went to the trip with all my students, sir. If you won't believe me, okay, I am not blaming anyone, sir. This is my entire batch, the people who already settled. This is Sai, sir. This is me. These are all 34th batch students. They already settled down. So definitely you will also, sir. Believe me, uh, I am going to make a trip every 3 months, every 2 months. Definitely, I will invite you people if you are pretty much interested. That is up to you. I was little bit friendly whenever we are outside. At the class, I was very strictly, sir. Whatever experience it doesn't make. Your experiences doesn't make for me, sir, because we are learners, either you, either me. But see the knowledge, how much you are gaining. Okay. Oh, okay. That's it, sir. Today I wanted to discuss. Actual session will start from 17th. Just share your email address, sir. Today's session will be public. I am going to create 37 playlist. Okay, and I will upload this today video recording. It will be available. Okay, so every session will be recorded and it will be uploaded in our playlist, sir. And you can just go to YouTube and search for Azure SQL Champ. You will get it our channel. You can subscribe. And 17th we are going to start, sir. uh, just only one humble request: spread our batch link, sir, to your friends or colleagues. Okay, I will promise you definitely you will learn a lot. Okay. Yes. No.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Happy weekend
Yeah, yes, we
and
do. Yes.
advance Independence Day, sir. Everyone enjoy. Please be safe.
Wish you the
You too.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Thanks.
Thank you,
Thank
Subbu.
you.
same. Wish you the
Yeah,
same
thank
to
you.
you.
Yeah.